Hey y'all, so today's video is going to be a vlog showing activities you can do in Cape Town during VAC week during the day. So if you're a student who studies in Cape Town and usually stays in Cape Town during VAC, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're technically on time for our appointment.
What did he say?
We left at 3 minutes. I'm with Monique. We had a little bit of an error, as in we forgot. We accidentally selected cash instead of card. So we had to run in, get cash, and then run back out. So yeah, so we were on time. But anyways, we're Grand West. Look.
It's so
Whee!
Not the second one, not the second one though.
So yeah guys, I've only been ice skating twice in my life, and every single time I've fallen like ridiculously. But it's nice and quiet because we've come during the week, so it won't be as embarrassing. So yeah, this is the ice rink. I didn't show you where we got the shoes, but I'll show you later on, and then you have to give them one of your shoes. I hope this music isn't copyrighted. There's lockers to put your belongings in, and you can set your own code to lock it. Just don't forget your code. Look at us, y'all. So if I'm not mistaken, ice skating was 55 rand, but that was for 1 hour. We should have bought more time because I'm sure it was like 70 rand for 2 hours, which is way more worth it because an hour goes by really fast. So buy for 2 hours. Woo! Nice. Woo! Are we gonna have another? Thank you. This is a workout. So I can semi-skate. I can skate without, because at first it was Chelsea on this side, Monique on this side, and now it's me on this side with Monique. So there's my sounds. Shawnee's, bro.
Charlotte, we all fit 6. I don't know.
Okay, that's nice. We're about to play games. Okay, I was taking pictures. Hi. So to play games, you need tokens, and I believe they're 2 rand for one. I can't remember correctly. Okay, so this game, it was a scam in my opinion, because why was I actually hitting stuff and it wasn't falling? But anyways, I'm very competitive, so I just kept going back to buy more tokens, and I was enjoying the game because it was funny, like not funny but fun. And yeah, 2 rand a token isn't that expensive, but yeah, don't be like me, don't be competitive, be a zen hun, because also although the sporty games are like the funnest to play in my opinion, because there's other games to play that need you to use slightly more of calculation of brains, which I can't do. The sporty ones are more fun, but they don't give as much tokens. So Yeah, and they can also just be a waste of your energy. But either way, I still had fun. I'm not showing other games because I didn't play other games. Like, I kept playing the same 3 games. And when I say, guys, I kept going back for tokens. I think I got like 100 rand worth of tokens. Or like something like that, or 70 or something, because I'm just so competitive. And I really wish I could be more zen and be like, oh no, I don't care about the outcome, but I do. And then this next game, it's fun, but it doesn't give that many tickets, so don't waste your time. So next we have bowling, which is 55 rand per person, but if you're a group of 5 or more, it's 45 rand per person. So we each paid 45 rand to go bowling. Y'all, so I suck at bowling. I was last place, and best believe I was miserable. And I didn't take any like landscape. Hi, I totally forgot that I'm supposed to be vlogging today. Like, we've been on our hike for almost like 30 minutes hiking, and then we took a break over like about how long would you say, Tegan?
But actually 20 minutes.
20 minutes, yeah, like we've been out for an hour. I forgot that I'm showing you guys what I'm doing on Vac. But we're hiking. We went to Newlands forest. I will insert clips before this clip so that you can see what it's like. But yeah, we're just hiking. Hiking is free, which is nice. We didn't bring food because we're gonna go out to eat food, but you don't have to do that. Like, if you're on a budget, you can just bring lunch from home and like just organize transport here. So yeah, Newlands is really nice. We used to go here when I was like in high school. I'm walking backwards because like that's where the light is. But yeah, Newlands is really nice. I used to do this for cross country, so it's not a difficult hike, but also the view isn't great. So if you want like a great view, you'd go to like Table Mountain or Lion's Head, etc. So yeah.
Oh, but I think there's a second one.
I hope there's a second cable. Your phone's so wide, Tegan. Yo, it's like a camera. Anyways, this is... I was about to make a certain joke. This is a river. Do you know what I wanted to say?
I feel like I do, but I'm not gonna say.
There's a river on the path. Yeah. Yeah, so I was supposed to vlog for the rest of my vac, but Tegan's phone got stolen, so we went on a wild goose chase with that, and I just got derailed. I'm so sorry, but I will be filming more activities, so definitely stay tuned if you want more ideas for activities to do in Cape Town.